Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT7 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Here let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed options. Of course we can enter the album and we will enter our own photos, so you can set it as a wallpaper. What is more, right here we've got more wallpapers, so after just giving all of the permissions, you can enter the online wallpapers from which you can choose something. So let me try to maybe choose this one. I'm not sure whether you need the account or not. Let me tap on apply, and as you can see you have to log in, so just let me choose something from pre-installed options. I don't want to waste the time for that, but I highly recommend to check something in the online wallpapers, because we've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. Alright, so let me maybe pick this one. So just tap on the wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen, so you can check whether you like it or not, and then tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will choose both options. So let me tap on it, then tap on apply in the right upper corner. Right now we are on the lock screen, and here we've got also the same on the home screen. Of course we need to focus on the home screen. What's more, an additional option, you can set the color on the wallpaper instead of the picture or something like that. You can just tap on it, and here you've got the colors. You can choose the gradient option, just like here, or you can just set a solid color, totally up to you. However, I prefer to have the photo. So just tap on apply in the right upper corner if you're ready. If you want to, a lot of things here. If you want to, you can also apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so you can create a nice composition together. So all you have to do is to simply tap on wallpaper colors, and here we've got those which are taken from the wallpaper. If you don't like them, you can custom the colors. Got it? Custom. And as you can see, your device will take 4 different dots. I mean, the color from 4 different places, so you can customize it. You can just move the dots to the color which you like the most and apply it. So maybe something like that, and confirm it with OK. And here we've got the custom options. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. We can go back to the home page, and the wallpaper has been applied successfully, of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.